Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to compare the haptic feedback comparison between the Realme GT versus the iQOO 7 device. So which phone has got really very strong haptic feedbacks? That is what I'm going to exactly compare in this video. So this is a test which I'll try to use only while typing. That is what I meant. Let's see friends which one has got what type of settings first. So whether you can actually change the intensity of the vibrations or not. So let's check first those and then I'll try to talk about which one has got really strong haptic feedbacks. So let me just go to the sound and the vibration profile, and in the iQOO sound device with the recent update you do have the option to change the low, medium and the high as well. As you can see, that's the one thing which you can definitely notice here. That's a good thing about this iQOO sound device. You do have the three different values, not bad. In the Realme GT, let's see what is the options we are available. More sound and haptics and not there maybe in this vibration intensity. Yes, here we do have the vibration on touch, vibrate on touch. As you can see, in this way you'll be able to increase and decrease the intensity how much ever you want. That's the one thing you can definitely say that. So right now for the testing demonstration purpose, I'm trying to select the maximum intensity in both phones. So this is the test which I'll try to use only the keyboard. So keyboard test only friends, not any other gaming test, only keyboard test which I'm trying to compare between Realme GT and the iQOO 7 device. So let me try to open the search bar and let me try to type right now using the keyboard, and let me try to bring the mic slightly close to the phone. So then you'll be able to hear how is the sound output, how strong it is. So now you should be able to hear the sound of the haptic feedback, how it is happening. As you can see friends, right now the sound while I'm trying to type. Now let me try to use the same kind of mic in this iQOO sound device. Let's see how much difference you will be able to feel while typing. Right now I'm trying to type on the iQOO sound device. So friends, both phones they do have the very strong haptic feedbacks, but in my experience of using the iQOO sound device, I did feel this phone has got very strong haptic feedbacks, very strong, very powerful as well. So which is fantastic friends using in this phone. I did use this phone for the past 100 days and this is the one thing which my favorite in terms of the haptic feedbacks. And with the recent update, as I said, we did get the option to increase and decrease because I don't like this much of high intensity. I just need low. Even in the lowest volume, lowest pressure of this vibrations as well, still I was able to get very strong haptic feedbacks. That's the one thing which I did like in this iQOO sound device. So this is the quick comparison friends between both phones in terms of the haptic feedbacks while typing on the keyboard. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.